guys, it's Mike. I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen today. Super easy, so let's get started. The option to record your screen will be located in the command center. To enable it, we have to first go into the settings app. Next, we're going to locate and select control center, and inside, select customize controls. What you see here are the apps currently included in the control center. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and locate screen record. Hit the plus button, and it's going to be included in our control center. Now when you pull down the control center, you'll see the option for screen recording at the bottom. To record your screen, all you have to do is press the button, and a countdown will begin from 3, 2, 1. So when your screen recording begins, you'll notice a red notification on the top left side of your phone. If you want to record sound while you record your screen, just force touch the record button and then tap microphone audio. There's two ways to stop recording. One is through opening up Control Center and then tapping the record button. Or you can tap the red status bar at the top of your screen and then tap stop. Once your recording has stopped, it'll say your video has been saved to your photos. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.